the industry is changing. Advances in textiles and fibres, new manufacturing capabilities, material processes, and technologies are converging. We are redefining the future of material creation. During pre-season preparation, an expert group forms a foundation of material libraries and tools to be used seamlessly across categories to create best-in-class material offerings as a foundation for a competitive and profitable product range.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nur Fadwa Mitra Rahman from AB201. Today I would like to present about the company that implement the computer-based training India company. In this technologically advanced world, we understand that most companies today conduct training sessions for employees using computers rather than using traditional methods. After I review all the companies in Malaysia and outside Malaysia, I found out one of the companies that implements computer-based training India company is Adidas Group. At the Germany-based Adidas Group, management believes that learning should be light, desirable and fun. Besides that, by revolutionizing the regular training offer, Adidas stands to stop future innovation and cause others to emulate its approach. Adidas Group Learning Campus replaced classroom-only training programs with social and interactive online learning offerings, which are open to everybody and accessible 24 hours. Next, I will talk about background of the company. Adidas AG, stylized as Adidas since 1949, is a German multinational corporation founded and headquartered in Herzogenaurach, Germany, that designs and manufactures shoes, clothing and accessories. It is the largest sportswear manufacturer in Europe and the second largest in the world after Nike. Besides that, the company was started by Adolf Dassler in his mother's house. He was joined by the elder brother Rudolf in 1924. To enhance the quality of Spike's athletic footwear, he transitioned from a previous model of heavy metal spikes to utilizing canvas and rubber. Next, what types of computer-based training they implement that company? They have 3 types of computer-based training they implement that company. First one is Adidas Group Learning Campus. The shed will host collaborative workshops and flipped learning session, face-to-face training, individual coaching session, informal discussion, lunchtime lectures, speaker series and planned or spontaneous learning events, also integrating new learning methods, technologies and formats. This should be generally open to all employees. The second one is LinkedIn Learning Platform, giving all corporate office employees access to content across subjects in business, creative and technology areas. Employees who access this digital learning content in the first 6 months spend an average of around 70 minutes per month on self-directed learning. The third one is Adidas Core Learning Programs to support strategic business initiatives, build capabilities connected to our 3CS and support development of future cross-functional organizational capabilities. Adidas Group also offer diversity and inclusion training for all employees. Next, what advantages of computer-based training for the company? They have 3 advantages of computer-based training for Adidas Group. The first one is flexible and comfortable. Computer-based training at Adidas Group allows trainees to work at their own learning pace and style, both of which can be adjusted to match the individual needs of each trainee. One is no travel. As just mentioned, e-learning can be done wherever we have a device capable of doing so. As mentioned before on the public schedule blog, external courses can sometimes only be sourced in locations far away from our company. So we then must pay the cost of travel as well potentially accommodation. E-learning takes this cost away completely. The last one is technological possibilities. E-learning is fast becoming a more and more popular method, and with it, so has the investment into how to improve it further. The computer-based nature of training means new technology is being introduced all the time to help with the learning. Next, what the disadvantages of computer-based training for the company? We have 3 disadvantages of computer-based training for Adidas Group. The first one is lack of control. Learners with low motivation tend to fall behind when using e-learning, as there are no set times to be doing it, and they are responsible for the organization themselves. The second one is learning approach. It doesn't appeal to all learning styles, so some learners will not enjoy the experience, especially strong activists and pragmatists. It is still a challenge to make e-learning appeal fully to these groups, as different people learn better or worse using different styles. The last one is computer competency. Some employees might not be too comfortable using computers, especially if their job don't require them to. Therefore, even if the software is user-friendly, the very idea of using the software can be daunting and demotivating for some. Is it Adidas Group implemented blended method traditional? The answer is yes. Adidas Group has implemented a blended learning method, which is a combination of traditional methods and computer-based training. This is because Adidas Group feels the traditional method of use is very necessary in their training and not just focus on computer-based training only. Example of blended method traditional that Adidas Group provide in their companies is classroom training. For large organizations with a geographically dispersed workforce, classroom training can be very expensive with travel and accommodation costs and time-consuming, different time zones, and work shifts. Moreover, it cannot deliver necessary training just in time and keep people updated, which is a crucial condition to staying competitive. In addition, examples of computer-based training that Adidas Group provide in their companies will host collaborative workshops and flipped learning sessions, face-to-face training, individual coaching sessions, informal discussions, lunchtime lectures, speaker series, and planned or spontaneous learning events, also integrating new learning methods, technologies, and format. This should be generally open to all employees. The space include e-learning cafe as a collaborative learning space, open to all employees, the whole day with free coffee or tea and Wi-Fi, also featuring technologies such as an Xbox Connect as well as Apple TV tablets and mobile devices to casually experience new learning experience like gamification. Adidas believes that L&D professionals need to further and more drastically transform the company into a learning organization by creating a culture of lifelong, self-driven learning in a collaborative environment, an environment in which all employees equally teach and learn and acquire knowledge and skills in a variety of ways to best suit present and future generation. I learn, we grow. For this reason, Adidas Group Learning Campus replaced classroom training programs with social and interactive online learning offerings which are open to everybody and accessible 24 hours.